Have you ever tried sending a video through Gmail only to get stuck or confused with the process? Don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to send videos on Gmail quickly and easily in just a few steps. Whether it's a personal clip, a work presentation, or a fun memory, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to share your videos without any hassle. First, open Gmail on your computer or browser and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Compose button on the top left. Click it to start a new email draft. Now, let's attach your video. In the new email window, you'll notice a paperclip icon at the bottom. This is the Attach Files button. Click it, and your computer's File Explorer will pop up. From here, navigate to the folder where your video is saved, select the file, formats like MP4 or MOV work best, and then click Open. Your video will now start uploading into the email. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a little while, but you'll see a progress bar, so you know when it's ready. Once it's fully uploaded, you can fill in the recipient's email address, add a clear subject line like vacation video or project demo, and write a short message in the body of the email explaining what the video is about. When you're all set, hit send, and that's it. Your video is on its way. Now, here's something important to know. Gmail has a 25 megabyte attachment limit. That means if your video is larger than that, it won't attach directly. But don't worry, Gmail automatically gives you the option to use Google Drive. This lets you send a link to your video instead, which works perfectly for large files and ensures your recipient can download or stream it easily. And that's how simple it is. In just a few steps, you can send videos through Gmail without any headaches. Whether you're sharing personal moments or professional content, this method keeps it quick, clear, and reliable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.